In this video, we're going to learn how to add a friend or add someone in Fortnite. If you're looking for a way to add a friend on Fortnite, then here's how you can do it. Open your Fortnite game, and once you are done, click on the menu bar at the top left-hand corner. Now, from the list, click on the Add Friend button, which should appear on the left-hand corner. Click on the option and then enter the player's name or the display name of your friend in the text box. Search for the user and you should be able to see the search results. Pick the player that is your friend and then click on the Add Friend button to send in the friend request. Once your friend has accepted your request, you'll be able to see them in your friend list. By clicking on this friend icon at the top left, you'll be able to see all of your friends on this page that you've added for Fortnite. That is how you'll be able to add friends on Fortnite game with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.